So you've installed WordPress, you've chosen a theme, and now you're ready to go. But you still don't want to start from scratch. You don't have to. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and activate starter templates using the theme that you've chosen. So stay tuned. Okay, so here we are back at the WordPress dashboard. And we've already installed Astra as our theme. Okay, when you install Astra, you can also install starter templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. Okay, so we're going to go to Astra. And up here you see starter templates. And you have that installed or activated in the starter template yet. So we're going to click install and activate. Okay, now on this screen, they're going to give you a choice of which page builder you're going to be using. So Block Editor is the default page builder. Then there's Elementor, and then there's Beaver Builder. We're going to choose Elementor. Okay, so now here you can see you have a lot of templates that you can choose from. They're premium templates that come at a cost. You have to pay for it. And then there are also a lot of free. If you don't see premium, that means it's free. Free templates that you can choose from. Okay. So let's go through the process of, let's say, we want to purchase. We just want to see what this one is about. Okay. So here you can just skip and continue. We're going to, keep the defaults. And this is like the starter template. This is a premium template, and it comes with our essentials and growth bundle. Get access to this premium template and 100 plus more. So then you go to unlock access. Okay, so now it takes you to the Astra website. So here we are, the landing pages. Get access to 200 plus professionally designed, high quality Elementor templates. So click on get instant access. And this is where it tells you, gives you the price. You can get the essential bundle, $137 for right now. It's on sale, as well as the growth bundle. Okay, so now it takes you to the Astra website. So here we are, the landing pages. Get access to 200 plus professionally designed, high quality Elementor templates. So click on get instant access. And this is where it tells you, gives you the price. You can get the essential bundle, $137 for right now. It's on sale, as well as the growth bundle. Okay, so say at the moment you don't want to purchase a template, you just want to use one of the free versions, free templates. And as you can see, there's so many different templates that are free. So let's go with, let's see, say we own a restaurant. So let's type in restaurant. Okay. And we have premium versions, and we have a few free ones. So let's choose this free one right here. This looks pretty nice. Steaks and barbecue. Okay, nice. Okay, so we already have the banner. We have this right here. This is pretty good. So we're going to go with this one. We're not going to upload the logo right now. We're just going to click on skip and continue. Here it's going to allow us to change the colors, okay, and the fonts. So we're just going to, let's see, we have These are the default colors right here. So let's go with maybe this one right here. Okay. You see how it changed? Green. Okay. Yeah, the button turned to green. The font turned to green. I'm going to just keep the font the same. I'm going to go click continue. And we're just going to, you can say your name, your email if you want. You fill out this information, but you don't have to. So just click on submit and build my website. Okay. Congratulations, your website is ready and it took just 21 seconds to build. All right, so let's go to view your website. Okay, so here we have our restaurant, our web page, our home page. Okay, so we already have content, but we're going to go back now. This is pretty nice for a starter template. And it's pretty nice for a free starter template as well. So now we're going to customize it to fit our business. Okay, so we're going to, because remember when we installed and activated the starter templates, we said that we were going to be using the Elementor page builder. So we're going to go to edit with Elementor. Okay, and we're going to, you can change the content. So we say steaks and barbecue, but we can say best in, and then you can put the city, Norfolk, VA. We have the buttons. We can change that. We can change the images to images of our food that we serve. And then we can also change, each of these sections. Just put the right featured on logo. And yeah, the pictures, we can just customize it for our. Okay. So not only did it create the home page, it also created other pages as well. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. And as you can see, we have, as you saw, the home page, the About Us page, the Contact Us page, and the menu. So we can edit all of these pages. We can add to the pages. We can add additional pages. Okay, our menu, we can change our menu. That's it.